Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a Kite Connect app in your Zerodha developer console, so you have an API key and API secret. Once done, create a Python virtualenv and pip install Kite Connect. Next, configure the app's redirect URL and open the generated auth URL in a browser to log in. You will receive a request token after successful login. Make sure to copy it immediately. That request token is the first actionable credential you exchange in code to obtain an access token. Once you have the request token, in Python call Kite Connect API key equals and run generate session request token API secret to exchange it for an access token. This step both authenticates and returns your session. Store that access token securely in environment variables or a secrets vault because it grants trading access and typically expires by end of day. After storing, instantiate Kite Connect with access token and run a quick call such as profile or orders to verify permissions and connectivity before proceeding to order placement or market data subscription. You finish by writing the action code. Call place order with correct variety, trading symbol, exchange, transaction type, quantity, and price. Once successful, fetch order and trade history to confirm. If you need live market data, open the Kite Ticker WebSocket with your API key and access token and subscribe to tokens. Finally, handle failures. Log full API responses and error codes so you can pinpoint issues. If something fails, the primary fix is to re-authenticate and obtain a fresh access token, since expiry or wrong secrets are the most common causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.